उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं बता रही हूँ। चैप्टर 4 माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन। सबसे पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन में है चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव। मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ मार्केट इज ऑल द अबव, क्योंकि सभी होगा। मार्केट में प्राइस होगा, एरिया होगा और बायर और सेलर होंगे। सेकंड, इन विच टाइप ऑफ मार्केट ऑफ गुड्स आर सोल्ड एट यूनिफॉर्म प्राइस। बी, perfect competition. Which is that state of market is which there is only one seller and has full control over the supply. Monopoly. Which type of market is found in real world? So monopolistic competition. C. Fifth, types of market. Types of market, both perfect or imperfect. In which form of market demand curve is not determined. Oligopoly ये आपके कोर्स में नहीं है, फिर भी देख लीजिए. In case of perfect competition, the selling cost is zero. Which form of market does not come in economics? Descriptive competition. Oligopoly is that form of market in which few seller and large number of buyers. B. Next, which type of market is opposite of perfect competitive market? Monopoly, freedom of entry and exit is possible in long period. In monopoly, price elasticity of demand is less than 1. A. Okay, fill up देखिए. Perfect competition market, the firm face perfectly elastic demand curve. आंसर है परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. सेकंड, a firm can sell more of goods at the lesser price. That statement is related to monopoly market. आंसर आएगा मोनोपोली मार्केट. Under monopoly, demand curve of a firm show inverse relation between demand and price. Inverse. Fourth, a different price charged by a seller from the some commodity is known as price determination. Answer is price determination. A firm under monopoly in the long run can earn abnormal profit. Answer is monopoly. A market situation in which there are only two producers are known as duopoly. DU. मोनोपोली की जगह DU पॉली हो जाएगा. DUOPOLY. duopoly. Demand is inversely when a firm follow a policy of price difference and change higher prices. Inversely आएगा इसमें. Next देखना, market refers to price where goods and services are buying and selling. दो दिए हैं इसमें, एक आएगा buying, दूसरा आएगा selling. Under perfect competition, AR of firm is fixed. Answer is fixed. और नेक्स्ट आपके लिए नहीं है, फिर भी देख लीजिए. ओलिगोपॉली मार्केट इज सुटेबल फॉर फ्यू सेलर. ओलिगोपॉली. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, मैच द पेयर. फुल नॉलेज टू द बायर एंड सेलर. परफेक्ट कंपटीशन डी वाला. Marginal revenue equal to price in the market. उसका आएगा परफेक्ट परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, दोनों का आंसर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन है। थर्ड है हाईली इलास्टिक नेगेटिवली शेप डिमांड कर्व इज रिलेटेड टू मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन, ये वाला। और product difference is the characteristic of which form of market monopolistic competition। C। नेक्स्ट है राइट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। मोनोपोलिस्टिक कैन नॉट डू प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन, रॉन्ग। प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन मोनोपोली में कौन करता है? प्रोड्यूसर खुद करता है। The shape of demand curve of full form in perfect competition in time, ये will false as compared to next third, as compared to monopoly, the demand curve of firm is highly elastic under monopolistic competition, right? Perfect production determination does not give any permission of price restrictions. False. In case of perfect competition, there is no change in the price of goods. False. 6. There are large number of buyers both in monopoly and monopolistic competition. Right? Next, 7. A monopoly firm is a price determinator. True. Right कर दो इसको। In monopoly market, the demand curve of firm industry is wide. True. In oligopoly market, the firms are interdependent. True. In monopolistic competition, firm is a price acceptor. False.